So we start off today's video with this gorgeous bob haircut transformation. The client has a balding crown area, and the stylist does an amazing job of covering that up with some volumized hair. So you can see there in the center at the crown, the stylist did create this nice volumized effect that covered up the thinning area. She looks absolutely amazing. What a transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So if you are in need of a fresh new look, this channel is for you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the like button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another gorgeous bob haircut. This one features a blonde hue. Classic and simple chic bob. Followed by another bob haircut transformation. The stylist is doing a beautiful blunt cut for this one. Her hair has this amazing sheen to it. It looks so healthy and gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Loving the overall shape that this bob has. Such clean lines. Then we see someone with gorgeous blonde hair. Followed by another stunning blonde transformation. And then we have yet another beautiful blonde. Followed by the fourth transformation that also features blonde. So it looks like the stylist might be doing a layered haircut for this next one. And then we have a pixie with a nice shaven undercut side. gorgeous texture. Followed by this 360 view styling of this pixie cut. I love the texture that this pixie has. It's a nice amount of volume through the choppy layers, and the color is really pretty. Next up, we have another hair transformation. Looks like this one is going to involve some color. Oh, beautiful ombre blonde coloring. Absolutely gorgeous. This blonde looks absolutely stunning on her. Next up, we have another color transformation. Looks like she decided to go blonde as well. Wow, that is like the perfect shade of blonde for her complexion. The roots are, of course, kept darker. And a lot of stylists are doing that today just to kind of create more of like a natural appearance. Beautiful makeover. I really like the stylist hair with this one. She looks like she has a half up, half down style on a shaggy cut. The bangs are absolutely gorgeous. And then we have someone doing the wolf cut here. Butterfly cut, wolf cut, whatever we're calling it these days. Wow. The Look at how volumized her hair looks. The bangs look gorgeous. So pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of the fresh hair trends and transformations from today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.